Let's be honest Filipinos who retire abroad, we don't stop being Pinoys.
So some retirees support their parents, some help with tuition, and some send for emergencies.
And some don't have regular obligations. Pero if sending is part of your story, whether it's
Kasi
regular or
retirement
occasional,
is about freedom.
make it simple.
And if you choose to give,
Kasi when you're living on a
hindi mo
retirement
kailangan mag-isip ng
income,
dalawang beses
every
how to
euro,
send it.
every dollar
Yeah.
matters. So the way you send it matters too.
Kasi retirement is about freedom. And if you choose to give, hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng dalawang beses how to send it.
Kaya when we do send, we use TapTapSend. So for sending money to the Philippines, don't forget to download TapTapSend. It has zero fees for all mobile bankings and e-wallets. So what you send is what they receive.
And kung nakatira kayo sa US, sa Canada, Australia, UK, Europe, or the UAE, gamitin nyo lang yung code namin, TapHaven. And makakuha kayo ng extra $20 on your first Padalab. O di ba ang dali?